how to recover a hacked WhatsApp account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are here, chances are your WhatsApp account has been hacked or you are worried it might happen to you. So don't worry, I'm here to help. So in this video, I'll show you how to recover your hacked WhatsApp account step by step and secure it to prevent the future attacks. Now without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you should do if you suspect your WhatsApp has been hacked is to log back into your account. Open WhatsApp on your phone and enter your phone number. And WhatsApp will send you 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter the code to regain access to your account. And once you are back in, immediately enable two-step verification to secure your account. And here is how. To do that, simply go to the settings. Once you are in the settings, simply scroll down and tap on account and then select two-step verification. To enable that, simply tap on turn on and set a 6-digit PIN and provide an email address for recovery. This extra layer of security makes it harder for hackers to access your account. Next, check for unauthorized device. To do that, simply tap on three-dot icon at the top right corner and the pop-up menu will appear. From there, simply tap on link device and here you can review the list of devices connected to your WhatsApp. And if you see a device you don't recognize, you can simply tap on it and select log out to disconnect it. And if you can't log in or hacker has already enabled two-step verification, you will need to contact WhatsApp support. And here is what to do. To do that, simply open WhatsApp and tap forget PIN or go to the help section on their website and explain the situation in detail and include your phone number with the correct country code and WhatsApp will review your request and help you recover your account with your situation. Now let's talk about prevention. Many hacks happen because of the phishing attacks. So never share your 6-digit verification code with anyone, not even someone claiming to be WhatsApp support. And be cautious of suspicious links sent through messages. And finally, enable app lock for the extra layer of security. And this will prevent unauthorized access to your chats even if someone gets hold of your phone. And that's it. These steps should help you recover your hacked WhatsApp account and keep it safe in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.